Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, everyone.
Paul, I'm starving today. Can we please talk about food?
Sure. Today's topic is how to order food in a restaurant.
Oh, perfect. Because I really need to learn how to order pizza in English.
Of course, Emily, you and pizza again.
What can I say? It's true love.
All right, let's imagine we're in a restaurant. You walk in and the waiter greets you.
Okay. What does the waiter usually say first?
They might say, "Good evening. Do you have a reservation, Theo? Or how many people?"
If I don't have a reservation, what do I say?
You can say, "No, I don't. A table for two, please."
Got it. A table for two, please. Simple and polite.
Exactly. And always remember to smile. It helps a lot.
Yes, a smile is free and powerful. Okay, now I'm sitting at the table. What next?
The waiter usually gives you the menu and says, "Here's the menu," or "Can I get you something to drink first?"
Oh, so I should order a drink first?
Yes, usually. You can say, "I'll have a glass of water." "Can I have an orange juice, please?" "I'd like a cup of coffee."
Wait, what's the difference between I'll have and I'd like?
Good question. Both are polite ways to order, but "I'd like" sounds a bit more formal and gentle.
Ah, okay. So I can say, I'd like an iced tea, please.
Perfect.
Now comes the best part. Food.
Yes. The waiter might ask, "Are you ready to order?"
And if I'm not ready,
You can say, "Not yet, please. We need a few more minutes."
okay. But if I am ready, I can say, yes, I'm ready to order.
Exactly. Then you tell them what you want.
Let's practice. I want pizza.
Ha ha ha. Of course. Go ahead.
I'd like a large cheese pizza, please.
Perfect sentence. You can also say, "Can I have?" or "I'll take."
Like, can I have a burger and fries, please?
Yes, that's very natural.
What about if I want to ask for recommendations?
Great question. You can ask, "What do you recommend?" or "What's your most popular dish?"
Oh, that's useful. Sometimes I see too many options and get confused.
Same here, especially when everything looks delicious.
Yes, then I just order everything.
That's one way to do it.
Sometimes I don't know what's in a dish. What should I say?
You can ask, "What's in this dish?" or "Does this have meat?"
Oh, good, because I don't eat seafood.
Then you can also say, "I'm allergic to seafood," or "I don't eat fish."
That's helpful. And if I want something special, like no cheese,
You can say, "Can I have this without cheese, please?" or "Can you make it without onions?"
okay. So polite requests start with, can I have or could you?
Exactly. It sounds very friendly and respectful.
All right, now I'm eating. Yum.
Laughs. Don't talk with your mouth full.
Oops. Sorry.
If you need something during the meal, you can say, "Excuse me, can I get some more water, please?"
Or, could we have some extra napkins, please?
Perfect. And if the food is really good, you can say, "This is delicious," or "Everything tastes great."
And if it's bad?
Be polite. Maybe say, "It's not really what I expected."
Good idea. Always polite, even when hungry. Okay, I'm full. Now what?
Now you ask for the bill. You can say, "Can we have the bill, please?" "Could I get the check, please?" That's common in the US.
Ah, so bill and check mean the same thing.
Yes, bill is British English. Check is American English.
Got it. And what if I want to pay separately?
Then you can say, "Can we pay separately?" or "Can we split the bill?"
Okay, that's useful when eating with friends.
Exactly.
Before I leave, should I say something to the waiter?
Yes, you can say, "Thank you, everything was great," or "The food was wonderful, thank you."
And if I want to be really polite, maybe have a nice day.
Perfect. That's always nice to hear.
And don't forget to leave a tip if it's common in that country.
Right. Usually 10 to 15% in many places.
Okay, good to know. All right, friends, let's quickly review what we learned today.
Here are the key phrases for ordering food. 1. A table for two, please. 2. Can I have? Or, I'd like. 3. What do you recommend? 4. Can I have this without? Gas. 5. Excuse me, can I get some more water? 6. Can we have the bill, please? 7. The food was great, thank you.
So many useful sentences.
Yes, and they'll make you sound confident and polite in any restaurant.
Now I'm really hungry, Paul. Let's go eat.
As long as it's not your cat's food again.
Don't worry, she eats at home.
Good.
All right, everyone. That's it for today's English lesson. Try using these phrases next time you go out to eat.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food to order in a restaurant? See you next time. Bye.
See you next time. Bye.